Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your archived posts on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see the option Archive. Tap on it to access your archived posts. If you don't see your archived posts right away, tap on the drop-down icon at the top of the screen and select Post Archive. You'll now be able to scroll through all your archived posts and find the specific one you're looking for. Now tap on three dots from top right corner. You can either restore an archived post to your profile or delete it completely from your account. And that's it. You've successfully found and accessed your archived posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.